Good morning, everyone. This is student meteorologist Paul Taschereau with the WestCon weather team. We had some interesting weather yesterday across parts of the state and around the area. Some showers and thunderstorms moving across the state produced some small hail and even some wind damage in the northeastern part of the state. And just across the border in Rhode Island, a tornado occurred in Lincoln, and also several water spouts in Cape Cod. Certainly pretty interesting for what is now towards the end of October. And all that was in association with the cold front which moved through, and that's why we are rather cool and gusty today. But we are tracking a storm this weekend, and we'll get more into that in just a little bit. And unfortunately, the beginning of next week is looking a bit unsettled as well. But I took this picture outside Midtown campus at 10:45. It was showing mostly cloudy skies, and unfortunately, this will be the theme through the rest of the day. On the surface map, we have a cold front which has moved off the coast. That gave us those showers and thunderstorms yesterday. And just to the north and east of Maine, we have a low pressure in association with this front, and that's giving some moderate to heavy snow across parts of Maine. But we will not have to worry about snow from this system. But drawing our attention to the Gulf Coast, we have a low pressure system. This is going to move up the coast this weekend, and that's going to impact our weather this weekend. Now, I was worried about the possibility of some snow just a few days ago, but I think that scenario is becoming less likely. What's going to happen is this storm is looking to track right along the coast. That's going to give us some milder air and will give us some rain. But I was worried about snow because there's a lot of cold air built up in southeastern Canada. So if this system were to track, say, 150 miles farther south and east, we would have to talk about snow across parts of the state. But again, I think that scenario is looking less likely. Let's take a look at the satellite. Here we have the counterclockwise flow around that low pressure, giving us those clouds, and those again will stick through our area today. Going over to the radar, there's that snow I was talking about in Maine, and across the Gulf Coast we have that moisture associated with the low pressure. But coming back to Danbury, for today it'll be partly sunny, chilly, and gusty. We could see winds gusting upwards of 30 miles an hour, highs in the lower 50s. And for tonight, cold and remaining gusty, lows in the around freezing, but it's going to feel more like the mid-20s with those winds. And the forecast for tomorrow, much of the same, mostly sunny, chilly and gusty, winds gusting again upwards of 30 in the 5-day forecast. Milder on Friday, highs in the lower 50s, but here we are for the weekend Saturday, windy and rainy, highs only in the mid-40s. We may see a little bit of in a way of a break of the rain throughout the day, so I don't think it'll rain all day long. On Sunday, those clouds and showers stick around, and we're watching another system move through Monday, which could give us some showers as well. As always, you could follow us on social media. I'm student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. Thanks for watching.